It's you versus the quiz game. Can you beat it? Welcome to Easy English Practices. There are 5 levels in today's quiz game, which are beginner, elementary, intermediate, upper intermediate, and advanced levels. Let's warm up those brain cells with some fun and simple grammar questions. Level 1. I saw dash elephant at the zoo. A, the, B, N, C, A. I saw an elephant at the zoo. He dashed to school every day. A, go, B, going, C, goes. He goes to school every day. You dash open the window, it's hot in here. A, should, B, must, C, can. You can open the window, it's hot in here. The meeting is scheduled dash 2 p.m. A, in, B, at, C, on. The meeting is scheduled at 2 p.m. You're doing great. Welcome to level 2, where grammar gets a little more exciting. Let's test how sharp your English skills are. How dash sugar do you want? A, many, B, much, C, more. How much sugar do you want? She dashed TV right now. A, watch, B, watches, C, is watching. She is watching TV right now. We dashed to the party last night. A, go, B, gone, C, went. We went to the party last night. You dash eat so much candy. A, shouldn't, B, mustn't, C, don't. You shouldn't eat so much candy. You've reached level 3, halfway to the top. Let's put your brain power to the test with some tricky grammar. Are you ready? He dashed his keys before he left. A, lost, B, has lost, C, had lost. He had lost his keys before he left. I dash call you tomorrow. A, will, B, would, C, am. I will call you tomorrow. The event is scheduled dash Monday. A, in, B, at, C, on. The event is scheduled on Monday. You dash studied more for the test. A, could, B, should have, C, must. You should have studied more for the test. Welcome to level 4. You're now in advanced territory. These grammar questions are smart and sharp, just like you. Let's go. She said that she dashed tired. A, is, B, was, C, will be. She said that she was tired. If I had studied harder, I dashed past. A, would, B, will have, C, would have. If I had studied harder, I would have passed. He made a dash mistake. A, strong, B, heavy, C, serious. He made a serious mistake. By 2025, I dash in this city for 10 years. A, live, B, will have lived, C, lived. By 2025, I will have lived in this city for 10 years. You've reached the final level, Grammar Master. These are the toughest questions yet. Can you beat the game? Let's find out. Not only dash smart, but also kind. A, she is, B, is she, C, was she. Not only is she smart, but also kind. You dash have told me earlier. A, should, B, might, C, could. You should have told me earlier. I had my house dash last week. A, paint, B, painting, C, painted. I had my house painted last week. Hardly had he entered dash it started raining. A, when, B, then, C, then. Hardly had he entered when it started raining. Congratulations! You've completed all 5 levels and officially earned the title of English Grammar Master. Thanks for playing the grammar quiz game with us on Easy English Practices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your score.